Okay, this is Juan from Prosperity Trade. We're going over weekly watch list stocks that we'll be looking at during the week. Usually pre-record these, but I'm just going to do these live and kind of just comment on what I'm going to be looking at for the week. So the first ticker that had some hype last week was ticker MRVL. MRVL spiked up last week from a low of 71 to a high of 88. I think that it's still on an uptrend. Seems like here you see the MACD cross, and it was low on the RSI, the buy signal above the smooth moving average, and it moved up. It's been consolidating. So I expect that opening up Monday, that this is possibly still going to be on an uptrend. And what I would like to see a flush come down to the 80 level and get in for a possible bounce off of 80. So we look at Marvel on the daily. It's been on a strong uptrend for a while. Just had a catalyst, had some news, and spiked up even more. MRNA is another stock that I've been looking at. MRNA has been respecting a lot of these buy sell signals for months. As long as the MACD is a cross up and it's bullish on the MACD and on the TTM squeeze, I would like to see it come down and test 290. If 290 can hold, I can expect a reversal from 290. But MRNA has been pretty strong, and really the movements for MRNA on a daily day trade has been pretty predictable. Like if you look here, you have a buy signal and the MACD cross, and there was an opportunity from here 295 all the way up to 300. So I've been following the stock for a while, and it's been pretty predictable. So I'm going to continue watching this during the day, but I would like to see a test of the 290. I don't like to buy stocks that keep moving up with no pullback. I always like to see a pullback. So Marvel is a stock that we're looking at next week. MRNA is another one. NVDA also has been on an uptrend for a long time. Started down here in October, 212, spiked up all the way to 341 in a matter of a month. And it looks like it's starting to pull back now. 300 has to hold for support. If 300 can hold, it could reverse back to 310, 314. But I wouldn't get too greedy or stay too long, because a lot of these stocks have been pulling back with COVID fears and just kind of some pullbacks, a lot of pullbacks. Overall, the market's been pretty red. So, but you do have a small opportunity if you are going to day trade this. Just if 300 seems to hold, it can reverse back to 310, 315. Facebook, I would like to see Facebook, but I don't think Facebook is going to be in play anytime soon. I would like to see it fall to the 270 level. If it can come down to this 270 level, there was a lot of support and resistance in that area for a while, kind of consolidated. If it can get back in that zone, then it can possibly be in play for a reverse. So that's something down the line, possibly in a week or two, a future play. It's currently trading at around 300, but as the market continues to pull back, it's something you may want to keep on your watch list. Lucid also may be in play here. So it's been on quite an uptrend, and it closed off pretty strongly here at 45, closed at 47. So it flushed, and this is what I like. These are the kind of plays I like. I like to see stocks flush, bounce off support like it did here, and then go back on a reversal. It's just a safer way of day trading, because when you try to catch here, if it doesn't hold, then you have your exit strategy, as opposed to trying to buy here on the open, and you risk losing a lot more when you're a day trading. So those are the stocks I'll have on my watch, and I'll be watching during the week.